Hey guys, you're back here with Benny on another camping adventure. This time I'm here with a little bit of a squishy puppy. Got a companion this time. This is Willow. We call her Willoughby. Say hello. Boop. So she's running around chasing sticks. But thanks again for joining me on another great video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. It's peaceful here. There's nobody around as per usual. It's a little cooler. I think it's around 2 degrees Celsius. And yeah, I'm just gonna get a fire started here, get some lunch in me, and yeah. So thanks for jumping on this video. I really appreciate it, guys. You know, and I know it's a small little channel, but I appreciate all the support and all the subscribers. So thank you, guys. I think I'm coming up to close to 500 subscribers. So I enjoy making these videos, and it gets me out and gets me enjoying nature, and so I really I do enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Mattress I use, as always, Gear Doctor. Same one, no issues, love it. Link in the description. Well, I've got camp set up. I got her bed set up. I've got the firewood sorted, so it's time to have a cold beverage. And I think I've had these before on my channel, but I just like them. Trail hopper camping, so why not trail hopper, right? Yeah, and they're quite good. So it's an IPA, quite hoppy, but delicious. All right, I'm gonna get lunch sorted here. So lunch for today is Backpacker's Pantry. Oh, can I help you with something? No, it's not treats. Backpacker's Pantry, and this one is Wild West chili and beans. Never tried it before, so I'm gonna try it for lunch. Don't you worry, I'll give you a treat soon. I'll give you a treat. I know, I'll give you a treat. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this out. It looks really good, so I'll let you guys know. So not too bad, actually. It's pretty tasty. Again, Wild West Chilean beans from Backpacker's Pantry. It's pretty filling as well. Alright, so me and this squishy monkey are going to do a bit of an adventure down this trail. And apparently this trail goes along the whole valley. So it goes that way, and it also goes this way. And then at some point it crosses over the Vedder River. And then it keeps going for a few kilometers. So this whole trail is quite large apparently. I was speaking to some hikers earlier. But yeah, let's see what's down that way. And it goes to show you how cold it is. Definitely ice forming, but it's not that cold. Just about 0 degrees. She's off doing her own adventure, as always. So I heard some sort of loud bang. Didn't sound like a gun of sorts, it sounded more like a firework. Not quite sure what that was. Might have been a bear banger, so maybe they saw a bear in the area and they shot a bear banger. There it is again. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the audio, but somebody's popping off something. But it doesn't sound like a gun, so I think we're okay. Oh, somebody's shooting off a ton of what sound like bear bangers, which are like just this little, it's like a flare that pops out, makes a really loud bang sound. So I've heard 5 so far. So hopefully there's not bears in the area, but I do have bear spray with me, as always, just in case, because there are still bears around. So I'm not sure that this one here will protect me from bear attacks. Are you gonna? Okay, time for bed. So I'm gonna plug in this heated blanket into my mobile charging station, Ecolabs. I'm gonna plug it in and try it out. Hopefully it lasts a good little while. Hey guys, I really hope that you enjoyed that video as much as I did creating it. And thanks for checking out my small little channel. If you like that content and all my other videos, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.